Hello, hello everyone. Uh, hello everyone. So the last time we stopped here, right? So last time, so the last time on the first video we stopped here, right? So today I'm here. The first thing I want to do here is we want to create our first file, right? So the first file to include here is uh, uh, after you open this Flash app on Visual Studio Code, what you need to do first is create the files. It's called app.py, right? You can name it flask.py, whatever. But don't forget, right? Uh, by the end, by the end of the name you're giving is you should remember to write py, right? Okay, here you can write flask, whatever. So here, guys, here the first thing we need to include, right, in flask there's a uh, there's a uh, first there's a priorities here, right? There's a there's a uh, uh, menu first menu tag, or maybe there's the first thing you need to do here, right? The first thing is, I'm sorry, I wanna try to figure out here. So here, after we create this flask app.py here, we need this file to include things priorities. All right. Any Flask app should include that things, right? First, you need to create a from Flask, right? From Flask, no, sorry, from Flask import import Flask. Here, this F here should be capital, like import Flask. Space, enter. In here, app equal Flask Flask inside here underscore twice name and then underscore. Good. Enter. So after that we need to uh, write up. I want to if underscore name equal twice, right? Strings, yeah, in here menu underscore, right, close. Up that run do inside here, nothing here right now first. So right now here we'll try uh, after write these things. These are main of tag we write on Flask. So here we want to open our local host. How we can open our local host? Just by write Python here. Probably you should not close this command, right? CMD, right? uh, you should not close it, right? This CMD should be opened, right, until the end of the tutorial. Open, no, Python space app the py, and here we are. No, something we need to do something here. So here we should save. Good. So save it here. Yeah, we'll try open. No, the first thing we need to do here first. Root maybe. Here, maybe root here, right? We'll open our root here first. We're open root here. Add pi up dash root, right, root slash no strings, right, slash, and here you can open a div definition, maybe index, open, then close here, right. Let return h1, maybe h1 close, h1, good. And here want to put it here, good. And here you can write here hello world, good. Hello world, hello world, and save. Let's save it. Here I want to try to flask python space app.py. Yeah, here we are guys, right now here, right now here. uh, after you write after you try to uh, let's close here first, right. After you write this index root here, now here cmd give us the local host, right. Copy this one here, right. Copy this, you can copy this to open localhost, control C, open browser here, right here. Now here localhost, paste this number here, enter, right. Maybe I don't need all this number, right. Just this is fine here. Close this one here. And enter, hit enter. Here we are guys here. After right now here our localhost is quite ready right now. So yeah brother. Oh, so right now here guys, our localhost is ready. So what else do we need here right now? So we want to create many files here, right. Let's create our files here. Good. First of all, we want to create a folder, because folder includes all things, right. Zoom template, yeah. Inside template here, yeah. Inside template here, will include many files. First file is layout html, good. Layout.html, right. What else? Yeah, inside layout here, you also want to create another file, home, home.html, html, yeah, html. So here we write here guys, right now here layout here include all links. All right, layout is links linked all files here, right? So inside layout here, we want to create uh, our our HTML. How we can do that? Just type shift and top on your keyboard there. There's one here, and click tab. Right? Let's make this bigger. And now here, guys, the first thing we need to do is we want to write our priorities here. So here, let's open a square here in 100 percent black look look body look body good, and look in here, and block good. Let's save. Right, those things we need them in any files. Right, in any files, let's save it here, paste them here. Right, in top here we want to write something here, home here. Right, we want to include uh, uh, we want to include layout here. Good. Percent id there, percent extend, yes, extends extends open here, layout that html. Good. And here inside here you can write whatever we want to write here. Here is you want to maybe h1 type. Good. Hello home. Let's save here. And here, after you save, you can save with Control S. That's where you can save the files. And now here, after you save the files, right, our debug here is so off. Debug is mode off here, right? But we want to do is we want this debug to be on. How we can do that? So here, after we save here, yeah, we want to press this tag here, Control plus C and top. Alright, on top in here, want to do here, write Python. Alright, Python app dot py, enter. Yes, enter is here, right? Okay, let's save. It's right now. I save it, right? Let's reload here. Nothing has changed. So what we need to do here, everything is still here, right? So what else? Good. Okay, that's just to be includes. That's okay. Extend here, right? Yeah. So yeah, home here. Good. Now let's do this extend. Let's keep it here right now. So here, guys, let's save and save here. Right. Reload. Nothing also has changed. So what we're missing here. So stop.